Ethos is a powerful platform designed to help brand professionals and marketing teams create and manage organized online brand guidelines. It acts as a single source of truth for all your brand assets, such as logos, colors, fonts, messaging, and graphics, ensuring consistent use across all marketing and sales channels. With Ethos, you can choose from beautiful brand guideline templates, upload and store unlimited brand assets, and publish your guidelines as an interactive website easily shareable via a single link. The platform supports team collaboration, permission controls, and brand compliance monitoring to protect your brand identity. It also includes features like AI-powered brand content writing, white labeling, custom sections, and soon integrations with tools like Google Drive and Unsplash. Ethos makes brand management simple, scalable, and consistent, helping you strengthen your brand visibility and reputation.